Hey everyone, this is Logs Day 10. This is our last video for the week. So this is a continuation of Logs Day 9. We're still going to be condensing, kind of like what we did for expanding. We're just going to have more logs that we're condensing into one. Okay, so this is the little more complicated. So remember, for our condensing rules, they're the opposite of our expansion rules, and you're going to go backwards as well. So the first thing that you're going to start with is if you see a number in the front, you're going to change it to an exponent. Then after that, you're going to look for addition and subtraction, and you're going to turn those into multiplication for addition, and then subtraction is going to turn into division. Okay. So for our first question here, we are going to do log base 2 of x minus log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of 6. And remember, we're not solving anything. We are just condensing. We are making it as small as possible. So all of these have log base 2, so I'm allowed to put those together. So look at your operations in here. Get rid of those extra logs. Okay, so anything that is subtraction is going to turn into division. And remember what I said in Logs Day 8. Anything that is being subtracted means that it's going to go in the denominator. Anything that's being added means that it's going to go in the numerator. So we have log base 2. We know we're going to have a fraction because we have a division sign there. The x is positive, so the x goes up top. This 4 is negative, so it's going to go in the denominator. This 6 is positive, so it's going to go in the numerator. Okay, and this is a little backwards of how we normally write it, so just rewrite it to make it look nice. So we have log base 2 of 6x divided by 4. And again, we're not solving anything. We are just changing this, making it smaller, so you can leave it like this. You don't have to divide them both by 2. You can just leave it just like that. For question number 2, we have 7 log x plus 5 log y. So first thing, we are going to take any numbers in front and we're going to turn it into an exponent. So I take this 7, I'm going to move it to the exponent. I take this 5, I'm going to move it to the exponent. And remember, that number in front only goes to this variable here. It does not go to both of them. It just goes to the log that it's connected to. So we're going to do 2 steps for this one. If you want to do it all together, you can do it all together, but we're just going to take it slow. So I've got log x to the 7th plus log y to the 5th. Okay, now I'm going to do what I did up here. I'm going to find my operation is addition. I'm going to get rid of this extra log. So I have log of x to the 7th. The addition turns into multiplication. So here's my final answer. Log of x to the 7th, y to the 5th. Okay, so make sure that you are doing your exponents first. Okay, make your exponents first, because if I tried to combine these two first, we might think that it's 5y, but it's y to the 5th. Okay, so make sure you do those exponents first. That should always be your first step when you are condensing. Okay, question number 3. We have log of 8 minus 3 log of x. Okay, so again, do your exponents first. This 3 gets moved to be an exponent on the x. So I've got log 8 minus log x cubed. Then I can look at my operations. This is subtraction, so I'm going to change it to division. So it's going to be 8 divided by x cubed. Okay. And our last one for this video for the week is natural log of 4 plus natural log of x plus 3 times the natural log of y. Okay, so I have exponent here, move it onto the y. So I've got natural log of 4 plus natural log of x plus natural log of y cubed. Now I'm going to do my operations. So addition and addition here. So those are both going to turn into multiplication. So I have the natural log of 4 times x times y cubed. And there's my final answer. Okay, so check out your homework for logs day 10, and you guys are all done for the week.